I'm Christian Brown with Code and Counsel reviewing Midpage, a new generative AI platform for litigators. Opening up Midpage, you can sign up here with Google or your email for free, which is the first feature that caught my attention. They're in beta mode right now, which means solo attorneys like me and small firms have an opportunity to access an AI legal research tool today for free, when all the other options on the market can be extremely costly and require a subscription. Just click on the Google button or use your email to sign up, and you're ready to start testing out Midpage. I find Midpage's home screen to be visually straightforward and clean with a focus on search functionality. The primary navigation bar at the top includes tabs for search, read, and notebook. A collapsible side menu on the left of the page allows users to start and track research sessions. Just click on the plus new research session button and you're ready to start your legal search. A prominent search bar in the middle of the page allows users to perform the traditional case search queries with keywords utilizing connectors like and, or, not. You could also set your jurisdiction and define a date range for your search. These are all pretty standard functions. But there are a few AI-driven features that caught my attention and make Midpage's legal search function unique. Midpage has a feature that lets you input and apply your legally relevant facts to a research session. Users can type in their facts or upload a PDF of a petition or a motion and let Midpage auto-extract the facts. Here, I've put together a hypothetical fact set related to a breach of contract situation. I represent the seller in an executory contract. Buyer is in default for failing to pay the property taxes as required by the terms of the contract, and the seller wants to sue and seek rescission of the executory contract and take possession of the property. And I title it Texas Executory Contract Notice Requirements. Now, with those facts set, when I input my query in the search bar, so for example here, what are the notice requirements to rescind an executory contract after the buyer's default, you'll see a checkbox is available that triggers my facts to be included as part of the query to help guide the results. Query results are stacked in a one-column table-like frame with each row representing a case search result. Within each case search result, relevant keyword match text is highlighted in a preview window like you might use with your email, allowing you to quickly review the relevant case text using a slide scroll function with navigation arrows. Each case search result also has 4 quick click features that I found useful. A notebook flag feature that lets you quickly add any case search result to the notebook tag. I found this feature and the next one to be extremely helpful with organizing my initial research into an issue like the example we're using here today. A tagging feature allows you to create and add your own tags for each case search result. A simple but effective feature that can save you a lot of time down the road as you start to sort and organize the legal research results you've flagged. Here, I created a default notices tag to utilize as I review the case search results and find useful cases related to default notices. A last viewed feature tracks whether you've seen a case before and, if so, when was the last time you looked at the case. Immediately, my mind goes to the times I lose to starting and stopping research in the normal flow of the day. This quick feature can help you pick back up easier. A case citation copy and paste feature makes pulling the case citation a one-click function without even opening the case result link. The benefit of displaying results in the table-like structure comes with the plus add column button under the bottom right of the search bar below the jurisdiction filter. With this feature, you can quickly generate and compare AI-generated outcome summaries, fact comparisons, and other elements of each search result across all the search results at the same time. Displaying this in a table format lets me quickly review the outcomes of each case to see how it relates to my legal issue, while also comparing the similarities and distinctions between the case result facts and my legal facts. Now, those notebook flags and tags help me sort and organize useful versus irrelevant cases across multiple variables much quicker and in a notebook that I can use for deeper research later. Outcomes and fact comparisons are not the only variables you can use to compare case search results. The plus add column button lets the user create their own variable. Here, I am asking it to identify the contract date for each case that includes those facts in the case text. Overall, I'm impressed with the search tab, particularly all the features you can use to help you filter, review, and organize your case search results, all before even clicking into a particular case search result. Once you do click into a search result, a new pop-out screen with the case text and more AI-driven features opens. The main area displays the case text with annotations and highlights based on your search query. In the banner of the case name, you have buttons to trigger a more detailed AI-generated outcome summary and to compare your facts to the facts of this case as you dig a little bit deeper into the case. To guide you in your research, there is a case-grounded, AI-powered assistant on the right side of the screen that you can chat with about the case and your legal issue as you're researching. In our example, as soon as I open the chatbot, the conversation starts with the assistant asking me a relevant clarifying question. As I interact with the assistant, it prompts me with what I found to be helpful sub-questions, sometimes questions I hadn't considered myself before talking through the issue with the assistant. The chatbot feature also gives me the ability to upload documents for the assistant to review and consider as part of our research. It feels like I have another set of knowledgeable eyes helping me think through issues and push my research into each case and how it relates to my arguments and facts. The chatbot also hyperlinks to the full text from the case as a source when it is responding, which means you don't have to just trust the AI got it right. Like attorneys have always done, you can check your citations and your sources. Okay, now you've finished your initial case searches and you flagged and tagged the cases using the case text previews and the AI-generated outcomes and the fact comparisons. And now it's time to organize and utilize those flags and tags. In the Notebooks tab, you will find all of your flagged cases in the same table-like structure with the plus add columns button. Clicking into a case takes you back into the case pop-out screen where you can annotate the case text with comments, copy text excerpts with citation, or copy parentheticals with one-click functions. Within the Cited By screen, you can perform sub-question searches about the cases in the same table-like structure with all the flagging, tagging, and AI features. Midpage offers two other features that are worth noting. A Google Chrome browser extension that works on all legal research platforms like Westlaw or LexisNexis, and a ChatGPT plugin, so you can talk with Midpage's AI assistant using your ChatGPT account. The Chrome browser extension means with a few clicks I can chat with the Midpage AI assistant about the case, add tags to the case, and pull the case up on the Midpage platform all within the pop-up extension window. And the newest feature I just started to use is Midpage's ChatGPT plugin. Using the ChatGPT macOS app, I can access Midpage's AI assistant right from my ChatGPT app from my laptop, my iPad, or my iPhone, which means I can take the AI assistant with me in the car, into a meeting, or have it available when I'm in a call or a hearing. I've spent about a month testing Midpage out, and I am impressed with the AI features they have shipped so far. There's an intuitive nature to the platform that actually helped me streamline and organize my legal research in a way that fits into my normal practice pretty easily. I enjoyed the clean, user-friendly interface combined with a set of defined AI features that offers a more efficient way to compare and contrast cases. These features aren't just AI to have AI. I found they actually address a very real pain point for me. The amount of time it can take to sort through case facts and outcomes to determine which cases are relevant and which cases you can ignore. Going from a case-by-case analysis to a grid analysis of those case elements lets me see from top-down and bottom-up for the legal issue.
If you enjoyed this review and want to see more legal AI-related content, or if you're a legal professional looking to explore using artificial intelligence in your practice, visit codeandcounsel.ai or connect with us on LinkedIn. If you are a solo, boutique, or fractional lawyer looking for a community of attorneys like you and a platform that connects businesses with independent legal advisors, then check out Hey Counsel by visiting heycounsel.com.